Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a big announcement here, there is a big news here that Goldman Sachs is going to hire 2021 and 2022 graduates. So friends, before we move ahead and discuss the eligibility criteria, how to apply, and what are the frequently asked questions, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, share, and watch the video till end to understand everything. Friends, the link will be given in the description. So once you'll click on the link, then you will be redirected to this particular page. So you can see in eligibility here, friends. So 2021 analyst graduation in 2021. So this is for full-time hiring. Okay. So friends, for the 2021 student, this is full-time hiring. Okay. And then 2021 summer internship, those who are going to graduate in 2022. So friends, there is two things here, do not get confused. So if you are going to get graduate in 2021, then for you there is full-time hiring, and if you are going to graduate in 2022, then there is a internship, summer internship program for you, and the month is given May, June. Okay. And intern hire April, July. Okay. Then program type, friends, so internship and full time. So for 2021 it's full time, and 2022 it is internship. CT, so friends, Goldman Sachs hires only for Bangalore mostly. Okay. So CT is Bangalore. And deadline, so application opens from January 20 2021 and closes on February 8 2021. So friends, for Goldman Sachs, so application is already open and it will be closed on February 8. So you have enough time to apply, but apply as soon as possible. Okay. Now, so friends, overview, so about the companies they have given, and then program timelines. So registration January 2021. Okay. 9 p.m. to February 8, 11:59 p.m. Assessment. So friends, your exam will be in mid-Feb to mid-March, because there will be uh, you can say many steps, exams will happen. Okay. So stage 1, stage 2, so many stages the exam will happen. So from mid-Feb to mid-March the assessment will happen, an interview will happen in between March to April. Okay. So friends, one more thing I wanted to tell you. So Goldman Sachs question level will be very good, and we had uploaded many videos, and many of our students were also able to clear Goldman Sachs examination. Okay. So this program is open to all engineering students in India across pre-final and final year of graduation and post-graduation. So friends, one more thing I wanted to add here is, so it's not only BE, BTech, so even ME, MTech, so pre-final and final year student will be able to apply. So if you are going to get graduated in 2021 and 2022, okay, so if you are from BTech and MTech, then you will be able to apply for that. Okay. And then friends, so registration to the program does not guarantee selection. Okay, so that is a basic thing. So till then you don't write the examination, definitely you will not be able to get selected. Now, in case of any further questions around the program, please write to us at engineering campus hiring program at gs.com. So friends, here you have frequently asked document, that is what is going to be very, very important, because most of your questions will be answered here. So what is the stipend and the package? So we will be sharing the compensation and the stipend details with shortlisted and student and placement committees of the shortlisted student at a later stage. But one thing I want to tell you, so Goldman Sachs package is very, very good. Okay. So even, I have seen Goldman Sachs package is around 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs. Okay. So Goldman Sachs package will be really very, very good. Then which branch streams are applicable? So friends, irrespective of any branches, so you're from mechanical, civil, computer, electrical, okay, electronics, any branches streams, you will be able to apply for this particular job. Okay. And graduation year 2021, so this is for full time, and 2022 graduation year means it's an internship program for you. Would there be any flexibility in the program duration? We will keep you posted on the program schedule. Okay. So what is the program structure? So apply to program, assessment rounds, interview, internship or full-time order. And then friends, how do I register for the program? So click on the register button. So there was a register button was there. So you could see here. So here is the register button. So you have to click over there. Okay. And friends, then you have to log in, register as a new user. If you have already logged into that, registered, then you can click on register as, you can directly log in. Okay, fine. On my GS event, register as a new user. Okay, enter all your details and click on submit. So you have to enter all your details and then you have to click on submit. So step by step, all procedure has been given. Okay, now register for event, then you have to register for the event. Okay, then you can see, okay, so place of study. So this, see friends, every step by step they have given everything. And then friends, there will be many new events or openings will be there. So you have to select engineering campus hiring program 2020 2021. Okay, so this will be the event which you have to select for. Okay, engineering campus hiring program 2020 and 21. Review the event dates and click on register. Okay, so what if my college name, so this is a common question which we get from everyone. So what if my college is not in the drop down while registration? So please select the field others. So please select others and then write your college name in the drop box. For any other information, you need to send a mail to them. Okay, so friends, here almost all your queries will get answered. Okay, so just click on register here and then the same page, so the same information you will be getting it, and then you can start with that. Okay, so register as a new user, so just follow that. And definitely if you have any doubt, please do let us know. And friends, so this channel we will mainly keep it for hiring updates, so please do subscribe, so that I don't want to miss, I don't want you to miss any hiring, because this is what we are here, right? So this is what you are here, so you wanted the notification related to job and then apply and then get a job. So friends, in the next video definitely we will be talking about the pattern of Goldman Sachs. And for time being, so subscribe to our channel and thank you.